Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay. I'm back again with another install for you guys, and today you already seen the title, you seen the description and the photo. We are installing more parts to a Toyota Camry 2018 to 2024, and today we're gonna be installing Audi Style V7 headlights for the Camry. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Some of you guys like, ew, those headlights are freaking ugly. Some people like, I gotta see them on the car first, Jay. And other people like, take my money right now. So I'm gonna show you guys an install process of how to install them onto your Camry. They fit any model or trim. Doesn't matter if you have a 2018 or a 2024. It don't matter if you have a base model LE. Doesn't matter if you have a fully loaded XSE. It's going to fit your car, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the step-by-step process on how to install these headlights. It's really simple. You see me install headlights before, aftermarket headlights. So let's get right into it, guys. All right, so first thing first, you guys, I guess we could kind of prep these, or I could show you what they look like. I think you guys want to see what they look like. So let's go ahead and get into it. I have opened this box already because I installed on my car for content and photos. So yeah, so they already been opened already. So they might look a little dusty or whatever. So this is the Audi Style headlights. Now I have a secret for you guys. I'm gonna hold it towards probably halfway through the video about these headlights. So you got the headlights right here. They are you got the headlights right here, so they are you know, black housing with a clear lens, and you got a clear side marker over here, so they have a real sleek look to them. Okay, so now and then as you can see, it comes with a plug and play harness right here for if you have an XS. So these are plug and play for the SELE and TRD, but if you have an XSC or XLE, it comes with a plug and play harness for you to use. So this might already come on here like it is now. This is how they came, but you can simply unplug this harness and just plug it into your regular factory plugs that's in under your engine bay. And then you also have another harness that look like it needs to go to the fuse box. So I'm going to show you guys what we need to do. And then you have this piece right here that also came with it. It's not going to come connected, but just showing you what it is. It just connects to this part right here. All right, so that's the look of the headlights. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. All right, if you guys know how to take off your bumper, go ahead and do that. If you really don't need to take off the bumper, we're going to try to prevent from doing that today. I'm going to show you the kind of easy step, because some people don't like taking off bumpers, so we're going to go ahead and do it the more this easier way for you guys. All right, so I already took off the cover that belongs right here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take off the 4 bolts that goes to the top of the bumper. So you got one right here, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm gonna take these bolts, hit them wherever you want that you're gonna remember. I like to keep my stuff up here because I know I won't forget about it and it won't go nowhere. Next, we are going to take off the pins on the side of the bumper. All right, so there's supposed to be a push-in right here. My customer does not have it there, so we're not going to worry about it. Disconnect the bumper off this. We're going to get inside of here. All right, reason why you want to take this part off, because you got to get the bolt right here for the headlight. All right, guys, so there I took down the bumper a little bit, so that way you guys don't have to take off all the bolts that's underneath the car. You don't need to jack up your car, although it's kind of simpler if the car is, I mean, the car is on a lift, so it does make it easier if it's off the ground a little bit. All right, now we're going to take off the headlights. You got a bolt right here, 2, 3. Go ahead and put these up here. Same for this side. 1, 2, 3. Put these up here. And down here, we got this bolt. All right. So now bumper is down. Headlights are able to come out now. Typically, I like grab right here, right? You can use a trim tool or a flathead to get this part up, right there. You just want to take your time because you don't want to break anything. All right, and then when you look back here, you got a bunch of plugs to the OEM headlight. This is a SELEN TRD headlight, so it's all going to look the same for everybody. If you have an XSC, it's just one plug. One, two, that's that one. And lastly, this headlight has a tab under here, right here. All right. Here is the stock headlight. Let's sit over here, that'd be pretty. Go ahead to the other side, repeat the same process. Other headlight, done. Now, we're gonna install the new Audi Style headlight. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this harness because we're not gonna use it for this car. All right, this is the harness I was talking about. This is for XSC and XLE. This is the harness that comes with the kit, all right? The original harnesses don't need that because it's plug and play. Now, all right, so this one goes to this one. All right, this one goes to this one. This one right here goes to one over here. All right. Now, this part right here may come separate from the headlights. All you have to do is take this plug and plug it in here, that's all. All right, and just make sure that this right here stays clipped on top of here. All right. So far, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt down these headlights and then go ahead and show you what they look like. Hit this one bolt right here, just in case we need to take it back down for whatever reason. Either right there so the bumper stays up. It actually looked really good on the TRD, on a dark, on underground TRD. I didn't like the way they looked on my car, but it looks really good. Sheesh. Now, usually when I am making videos for you guys, install videos, I'm kind of figuring out certain things for myself while I'm teaching it to you guys. Now, earlier in the video, I said that you want to need this towards later on. That is not true. I'm not entirely sure what this is for. I thought it was to that one wire, but they're both male plugs and neither of them is a female plug. Now, I already turned on the headlights and everything works as it's supposed to work. So I wouldn't worry about that wire. There might be for people who's across seas in like Russia, Australia and stuff like that has Camrys. That's probably what it's for. But you guys do not need that. Just follow what I did on the video and you're going to be completely fine, okay? All right, guys, so here's the surprise. You guys seen, YouTube people, you may or may not seen the regular ones I posted on Instagram. So these right here are actually RGB Audi Style lights. These are the very first pair out. They haven't even been released yet. I was the first one with them from King of Carbon Fiber. He sent them to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. All right, show you that again. It has a RGB startup animation. Don't mind the red right now. This is what I had it set to at the moment. But as you can see, this is your DRL down here going all the way to the side by the side marker. Your side marker is going to stay amber. No matter what you do, when you go through the app, you cannot change the side marker color unless you open up the headlights. You got your triple beam, low beams, and high beams sitting right here. If you need to adjust your headlights, so what you're gonna have to do, get a Phillips. You're gonna need one that's about this long, if not longer, just to have comfortable space. You're gonna stick it down into one of these holes. One is right here and the other one's right here. This one's for left and right, and this one's for up and down, right? So you're gonna, up and down, right? So you're gonna stick it down here. Get a flashlight so you can see exactly what you're turning. If you guys look right there, this right here, this little wheel is what I'm gonna be turning. You're gonna sit here. You're not gonna do it right here because obviously this is too close. You want the car to be on ground level, little bit far, that way you could turn it and watch your headlights, your low beams adjust right now. Because right now, these headlights came with this one pointing damn near towards the ground, and the one over there, the passenger side, is pointing normal, like as it should be. Okay, so that's what you're going to need to do to adjust this. I'm going to do this on my own time to get it right for my customer. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and clean this up. I'm gonna show you guys the app that you need to install. All right, guys, so you're gonna go to your app store. The box does come with instructions. I don't have the instructions with me because I left them home, but there is a QR code on the box showing you or telling you the name of it. But you could just follow this video because you're not going to need those instructions. You're going to type in Happy Lighting. All right, did I spell that right? Yeah. All right, and you're looking for this app right here. You're going to download this.
I need your face.
I need your face to download this app. There we go. All right, so you go to download this app. Go ahead and skip this part. All right, the app is now downloaded. You're gonna go ahead and turn the app on. You're gonna make sure you allow Bluetooth devices to be connected. If you guys can see this, there we go. Now we got focusing on it. These are the names of the two headlights. They're gonna be connected together. And obviously, it's like any RGB app that you guys see. You got your red, right? You got your green. You got your blue. Let's see if I can focus it in on the car. You got your yellow. You got your pink. You got your cyan. You got the wheel to pick any shade of any of those colors on your car. We'll go ahead and put it back to red. I think that red looks really mean for the dark color. And then you're gonna, to get it back to white, you're gonna tap onto RGB. All right, you're gonna tap onto RGB. It's the standard colors. All right. If you want to keep it white, you know, this is the legal way of having your headlights. And then you're gonna go to, let's see, style. If you go to style, you have a bunch of modes you could choose from. All right. Different show modes, however you guys want it. You can play around with the app, figure out things for yourself. It's, you know, just like any other, you know, app, you know. Let's see. The colorful mode. These are the RGB Audi Style V7 headlights. I say V7 because this is what we have them up on the website. So let me know what you guys think. In my opinion, I think they look really, really good on a dark color Camry, underground gray, black, midnight blue, or if you have a smoked out look, a black accent look around your whole Camry, I think they look better on there. Now, I did try these on my car just for pictures and content, and I wasn't really feeling them just because I have more of a lighter frost look on my car. So that's why I didn't sit, and plus I love my XSE headlights. You guys know how to take off and put on a bumper. You guys saw what I did in the beginning of the video, so just go back and rewatch if you need help putting your bumper back together. Other than that, I always leave a discount code in the description or down here at the bottom of the screen for you guys. At different times, it may do more than 10%. Other times it may be 15, maybe 20%. You can always send me a message on Instagram if you have any questions about these headlights or anything that you have ever seen on YouTube by myself. Other than that, guys, stay tuned till next time. Whatever my next video may be,